مرحبا بكم يا أيها المتعلمون الكرام. هيا بنا نتعلم اللغة العربية وتكلمها. اليوم نحن سنتعلم التكلم الأساسية. نحن سنتحدث كل يوم ونحن كيف نتكلم مع أصدقائنا ومع أساتذتنا. هيا بنا نتعلم. Guys, today we are going to learn some basic conversation which we are speaking with our friends. Okay, we are conversing with our friends or with our teachers on the daily basis, that we will learn how to say. Now coming to board. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Aina anta. Aina means where. Aina means where. Anta means you. Where are you? Aina anta. Aina anta. So the second person will say, I am on the way. I am on the way. Ana fit tariqi. Ana fit tariqi. I am means ana. I am means ana. Fi means on. Tariq means the way. I am on the way. Ana fit tariq. Why? Limaza. Because I am not well. Li'anni, because I. Li'anni ana marizun. I am not well means I am ill. I am patient. Li'anni ana marizun. Li'anni means because I. Ana means as well I. Marizun, not well or patient or ill, diseased. Oh, I am sorry. So you're listening to your friend, so you will say, oh, I am sorry. Okay, so oh, I am sorry. Ana asifun. Ana asifun. Oh, ana, I am. Asifun, sorry. Ana asifun. Ana asifun. What happened to you? What happened to you? Maza, what? Hadasa, happened. Bika, to you. To you, bika. Okay, Maza hadasa bika. Maza hadasa bika. What happened to you? Nothing. La shay'a. Nothing. Where? Aina. Where are you going? Aina. You know very well. Aina. Where? Tazhabu. You going. Tazhabu. You are going. Tazhabu. You are going. So question. Aina tazhabu. Where are you going? I am going to hospital. Ana azhabu ila al-mustashfa. Ana azhabu means I am going. Ila means to, or al-mustashfa, the hospital. I am going. Ana azhabu. I am going. Ana azhabu to ila hospital mustashfa. So guys, this much in a short video. Guys, look at the video and watch the video. Okay, thank you for having us and watching our video. Guys, I would like to request you to share it and like and to comment in our comment box, and please subscribe our channel Interactive Language Classes. Thank you.